Hey guys, welcome to MadTech. Today we'll be learning how to clear information account on Terabox app, and now let's dive right in. Now to clear your account information on the Terabox, first open up the Terabox app. And after opening a Terabox app, guys, at the top left corner of the screen, you can see the three-lined icon available for us. Tap on the three-lined icon at the top left corner of the screen and tap on the settings button over here just above the webmaster. And you can see the security center option available for us at the top of the screen. Tap on security center and tap on clear data button available for us just above the delete an account button. And you can see the first option that says account personal information. In order to clear your account information on Terabox, tap on the delete button and tap on the delete again, and then your account information on Terabox will be cleared out. And so guys, this is how to clear account information on Terabox app. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below. And don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.